Hello and welcome to Extra Yarn. Today, we'll be dyeing yarn with Kool-Aid. In your kit, you should have received a skein of yarn and 2 Kool-Aid packets. If you are missing either of these items, please come back to the library and we will happily give them to you. First, you're going to want to soak your yarn in warm water. You want to make sure that it is very wet before you remove it. This will help it absorb the color of the Kool-Aid better. While your yarn is soaking, mix the Kool-Aid packets you received with a cup of water. Today, I am using yellow and some red. When you're dyeing, you want to make sure that you also remember that these colors can mix together when in the dyeing process. So my yarn came out a light colored orange. When your yarn is wet enough, remove it from the water. Put your yarn in a container and pour the Kool-Aid onto the yarn. You can also use a squirt bottle to put the Kool-Aid on for a more direct dye. When dyeing, be sure to remember that lighter colors will be overpowered by the darker colors like the color red I'm using here. As you can see, the red kind of takes over the yellow, so you want to be careful. After you've used enough Kool-Aid, put the yarn in the microwave on high. Set the timer for 1 minute and wait. If the yarn has not absorbed the dye, continue putting it in the microwave for 1 minute intervals. As you can see here, I'm getting ready to go into the break room and put my yarn in the microwave. After your yarn is done in the microwave, rinse the yarn with room temperature water and hang it out to dry. I let mine stay in the microwave for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, it was pretty pale. So if you want to re-dye after you've done this, you can absolutely go ahead and try to for a more vibrant color. Now once your yarn is done drying, you're left with your beautiful yarn dyed just for you by you. Be sure to save this yarn for our project next week, and we're excited to see you come back next week to Extra Yarn.